Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is HP OfficeJet Pro 9135E. It's a multifunctional printer. You can print, copy, and scan. What I want to do is to show you how to print documents from your mobile phone to this printer. First of all, you need to make sure your mobile device and printer are connected to the same network. We connected both via Wi-Fi network. To print your document, you need to go to wherever you save the document. So go to My Files on your mobile phone, select My Files, then select Documents, then select the document that you want to print. Gently tap on the document. This is the document that I want us to print, 2 pages document. So tap on the document, then select the 3 dots, then select Print. You will see this app. Scroll down and select the correct printer, HP OfficeJet Pro 9130 series. Select on it. Then you wait for the printer to be ready and it will show you the print icon, yellow print icon. Then scroll down and select the paper size. You select tray. So there's a tray 1 and tray 2. So you select particular tray you want. Select tray 1, A4 paper, double-sided. You want to print the double-sided long edge. Double-sided long edge. Then you select Print. There we go. So you need to make sure you select the correct tray. It's printing double-sided. You need to select the correct tray, paper tray that you want to use. Very quick. This is the document we printed out, double-sided, from mobile phone to this printer. Another way to print document is for you to use HP Smart App. This is HP Smart App and the printer is showing us ready and also showing us the ink level. If you want to print document from the app, you select Print Document, select PDF, you select the document that you want to print out, go to Documents, then select the document that you want to print out. This is the document, 2 pages document. Then you select Print Preview. You select how many copies, 2-sided, and also you want to print this black and white. You select how many copies, you want to print it 1, then select Print. So we are printing with HP Smart App. There we go. This is the document we printed out, black and white, double-sided, using HP Smart App. If you want to change the color, you can also change the color. You just need to change it from black and white or select one-sided. So this is how to print document from your mobile phone to this printer. This printer deserves your attention. This is Android printing tutorial. Thank you very much indeed.